Alrighty, Aaron, just a quick little video here for you. Late in the day, but the tires are on, and I must say they look very good. I haven't cleaned them up, obviously. The blue is still all over. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna top on the lift because I didn't want to do it on my back. And I didn't have access to the hose this morning, so I just threw them on there to get it off jack stands. But it looks really good. I think you did the right call instead of doing it with no white wall at all. I know we discussed that. The white wall is gonna match with that. And then a little update on your top. I know you and Bobby talked about it, but I did throw in some of the 20 amp 250 volt fuses, and sadly that did not resolve our top issue. So I think simply you're just gonna need a new motor and new switch. We can throw in the new switch just when it gets here, just test it out, because if that's just the issue, then return the motor or pump, whatever you want to call it. But more than likely you're gonna need both. But just do the switch first. Super simple, literally swapping over 3 wires, and maybe that'll solve our problem, but I highly doubt it. But who knows, because I sure don't. But looking to get you back together here pretty soon. Just knocking things off the list, but every time I knock something off the list, something else decides it doesn't want to work. So yeah, but tires are done, and they're gonna look really good. Because I mean, we showed you like these tires are ancient, and they're way wider than the ones that you had on, which are somewhere back over there. But yeah, looking good.